Today's video is going to expand on how we get our mail and our packages.
And the eye that just popped up will take you to the video that explains our mail forwarding service that allows us to maintain our New Hampshire residency as we cruise around the United States.
And this isn't just for RVers.
No matter how you travel or if you're just on vacation and you need to get something from the post office, this will work for you too.
We are finding during our travels that a lot of campgrounds don't allow us to get our mail.
A lot of campgrounds. But there's a way around it, and you can thank the post office for it. It's called general delivery. They've been doing general delivery for years. And the beauty about general delivery is it's free. So if it's free, it's for Cheryl and me. What's general delivery? Post office defines it as a mail service for those without a permanent address. Again, like Cheryl and me.
But we do suggest talking to that local post office because not all post offices will support general delivery.
Yeah, and some of them, they want you to go in and actually sign up for general delivery. Others will have you fill out a card like this. And by the way, when we say talk to the post office, we don't mean the 1-800 Ask USPS, whatever their number is. That's a large customer service area that deals with customers all over the country. You want to talk with the post office that is actually going to receive your general delivery mail.
And if you can't find the phone number for that post office, you can go to postallocations.com, put in the city and the state of the post office you're looking for, and it should give you the local number.
There you go. How do you get mail through general delivery? How do you address it?
First off, put your name.
That would help. You follow that by the words general delivery.
Then at the very least you want to put the city, state, and zip code of the post office that you want the mail to go to.
Yeah, if the mail or packages are coming through the post office itself, that's pretty much all you need right there. If you're going to be dealing with UPS, FedEx, or other companies, you want to check with them, make sure that they will go to general delivery, and you want to make sure the post office will accept them. And you'd be best if you added the street address of the post office too, because general delivery may come back as an invalid address. The other thing that you can do is you can add the +4 9999. That stands for general delivery in whatever state that zip code is in. Now we just want to let you guys know they'll generally only hold the mail for 30 days.
So make sure you get there in a timely manner.
Yeah, and if you're expecting something, don't expect them to notify you that it's there. I mean, how could they? They don't know where you are. So, that will take care of general delivery for mail and packages. If you deal with Amazon, though, like we do, there's more options for you. Just because a campground or a hotel or whatever won't accept mail doesn't mean they won't accept packages. We can speak for campgrounds. Most of them will.
Some of them for a $5 convenience fee.
Yeah, that's not convenient at all.
Not for us.
We were at a campground where we ordered 10 different items. 10 packages came in. That would have been $50. We needed Amazon options, and we found them. And not just for campgrounds. I mean, you can actually use this wherever you live, too. Amazon has what's known as lockers and counters. It's great because if you're not going to be home when a package is being delivered and you're afraid it might just, walk off your porch because, wow, it's amazing how many of those packages can walk lately, huh?
I know.
This is an alternative to it. It's a secure and safe way to make sure that you get your package. Now we'll start with lockers. What a locker is, well, it's basically lockers. They're generally on the outside of a business, and what will happen is you'll place your order on Amazon, and when it comes time to shipping, you choose to use a locker instead of a home address. And once it ships, they will let you know that it's shipped. They will send a code for you so that when you get to the locker, you would just type in the code or one of those scan things. You just stick it under and it will work. But once the number's put in or the scan is done, one of those doors will magically open and your package will be sitting in there waiting for you. It's easy to use. We've done it a couple of times. Matter of fact, we even did a return through one just because, well, we had to return it and we figured, well, let's just see how the return goes. Same thing. They'll send you the code. You put everything back. It costs, well, I don't know if it's different between Prime or not. We will have the link in the description box down below. It cost us nothing to return this one. But we didn't even need the original. No, we did need the original bag. Or put it in a bag. Anyway,
we did.
we went there. We punched in a code. Again, a door magically opened. We put the package in. Closed the door. We were done. They, they refunded our money for us. So that worked out very, very well. You also have counters because lockers are on the outside of most businesses. Lockers are available 24/7 though, where counters, not so much.
Depends upon the business.
Yep.
So if you wanted to use a counter, it can be like a pharmacy. We went to a pharmacy. We had some packages delivered there. We walked in. I gave them the code, the little USB.
Oh, we told them my name. They went back and got the packages. Then they came up and they had to scan the code.
The UPC or whatever scanner thing that is. And they brought the packages out. They scanned it and gave us our packages.
Yeah, it was that simple. We didn't need to buy anything from there. We didn't even feel that we needed to purchase anything from there. It's just, it's a convenience for the Amazon customers. And, businesses are starting to work with Amazon instead of being, eaten by Amazon, I guess, because I got to tell you, we did make one purchase, and when it came, we had ordered the wrong thing. And
don't know how we did it.
Yeah, still don't know how we did that.
Our mistake.
So we filled out our return thing, and we put ordered wrong item. And it came back that we were going to have to pay the return shipping. I understand that. We made a mistake. Our options were, we could go to a locker.
Pay a fee,
put it back in, and send it back to them. We could take it to UPS.
Pay a fee.
Then they threw in a third option that we never even knew existed. I don't know how many of you know Kohl's, the department store. That was an option.
And it was free.
Yeah, check it out. Yeah, they wanted to charge. It was like $7 and something to ship it back to Amazon. But they said if you go to Kohl's, it will be free. Now we went to Kohl's. We walked in. We saw the sign that said Amazon returns were in the back. Now again, remind you, Amazon is eating department stores like they're candy. So this is a good thing for Kohl's, I guess, for people to do.
I think it's a smart move.
Because we have noticed since then that other department stores are doing it also. But anyway, so we went to the back, went down. We just gave them the item back because we didn't even have the packaging anyway. I mean, we had the box it came in, but we didn't have the Amazon package or anything. You didn't need anything. You went back there with the return code. You gave it to them. They gave us a tracking number so that we would know when it got returned.
They printed out this little receipt, and part of it got put onto our package. So they bagged it up and they put the sticker on the package, and then they gave us a receipt.
It had a 25% off coupon on it for Kohl's. We're in the bedding section, okay? Cheryl was saying, we saw the 25% off. She's like, hey, we should just get a new quote for Maggie because the one that's on there is getting kind of, dingy.
It was 25 years old.
Yeah, we've carried that with us. It was an heirloom of ours. So we started looking around and Cheryl finds a comforter that she likes. It's not marked. They're on sale, but it's not marked. So she goes to the manager.
And he brings it up and it's $249.99 on their website. So he does this little calculation thing, and he says, "I'll sell it to you for $24.99."
$24.99 from $249.
So I'm like, "It's sold." He says, "Oh, by the way, you can still use the coupon on it."
How cool is that? I'm sorry.
It was like $20.27 or something like that.
That's all we spent for this quote right here.
I love it too.
So, all right, so that is going to bring a close to our video on getting mail when you can't get your mail and how to, Amazon options is what it comes down to.
Plus it shows our bumps in the road.
Yeah, it's not all smooth. But that's pretty much it then, right? So if you guys like what you saw, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. You want to become part of the Grown Get Gone With Us gang? Right down there in the corner, just click it and you're in.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back, we always do. Before I finish the last thing, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram too, right here.
And you'll see where we are more currently than you will on the YouTube videos.
Yes, you will.
So until our next video.
Yeah, because I got lost. I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
We're Get Going With Us.
Bye.